Hi, my name is Tom and welcome at Expivi. I'm going to be your instructor for today, and if you have any questions at the end of the video, please ask us. We are happy to help. You can find our information right here. In this lesson, I'm going to show you the interface of Expivi. To get us started, from the Expivi website, go to the top right corner and select Login. Inside of the login screen, please enter your username and password. Once you have filled in your credentials, select Login. When you are logged in, you find yourself inside of the dashboard of Expivi. The dashboard is an overview of your customers, products and sales orders, also your latest invoices and your latest customers. To navigate inside of the backend of Expivi, you can find these buttons on the left side to switch to your catalog, to find all your products, or your materials and media, but also to your settings and other parts. Inside of your settings, you can find your name, but also your slug. You can use your slug to find your test product page. You have to add .expivi.net to the end of your slug to find the correct page. If you use this address, you can find all the products in the test environment that you have created. Thank you for following along in this lesson, and I hope to see you in the next one.